Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Longacre Elementary School in Farmington, Michigan, home of the Leopards, part of the Farmington Public School District. And it's such an honor to be back here again. You know, I've come now 3 years. This is the third topic that I've shared on. We talked about bullying, we talked about diversity. Today we took it up a level, talked about positivity, right? We had two separate assemblies, one for K2, one for grades 3-5 in the media center, like always. And what's so awesome is when I came this year, they've had this theme of peace all across campus, right? All across the school. They have signs like this right outside their school entrance, right outside the school lobby. And if you look here, all throughout almost every hallway, the peace signs just go for miles. And it's just so cool. I felt right at home. And you know, the central theme for today was on positivity. But you know, to have that type of mentality, it requires a lot of peace, right? In our minds, that we're kind to our mind, we're kind to our heart. Whatever you tell it, it's going to believe. So we want to tell it something more positive and not negative. And when things get really hard, you know, we always know that those are opportunities to make us stronger, right? And I wear this shirt for this particular assembly. It says, "Keep your head up." The words are upside down on purpose, because if you look down or feel down, it's a reminder to always think positive no matter what. And so for the students to really take that to heart, there was a lot of pin drop moments in both presentations. They really did take it home. The lessons that I tried to convey, all about being your best self, doing your best, and never giving up. That the opposite of success, so many always say failure, but it's not, it's quitting, it's giving up. And to know that if we fail, you know, again and again and again, doesn't make us a failure. If we make a mistake, we're not a mistake. We can always keep going, keep trying, right? And true success is kind of in the eye of the beholder, right? And that true excellence also is not always being the best, having to get the trophy or come in first place. It's just about doing your best. And that's all the staff and adults here at Longacre really want from any of their students, is to just try their hardest, right? To give the effort, to give a little bit more if they can, and to really, you know that when it comes to the state testing that they're actually doing today, that I was here for that as well, you know, that they're just gonna be able to look themselves in the mirror end of the day and said that I did my best, right? I kept a positive attitude with everyone in my life, my teachers, my classmates, my coaches, my friends, my family, and in every area of my life, in the classroom, in the media center, in the lunchroom, on recess, on the bus, at home, that we just continue having this positive mindset. And the more that we can replace any negative beliefs or doubts or thoughts we have about ourselves with something more positive, we're going to get more positive results in our life, right? And we also have to remember our worth, our value, knowing that we can do anything, that we're very, very powerful, very, very special, invaluable. And that ties into this concept that I always bring up in all my presentations, and that's that we're all miracles, right? The M on our hands, I traced one of mine here, but with the lines on our hands, we have the letter M. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one in each hand. And that M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into this, right? We have to really know that once we believe this, now it's up to us to go encourage others and be the light to their heart, right? Help them see that they are true peacemakers themselves. They have the potential to change this world in a positive way if they just start thinking a little bit more positive themselves. So thanks for touching my heart. It was a beautiful morning that I got to spend with all the students and staff, and I can't wait to come back again to keep building on this message. But until then, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.